Good morning, Ravi. Om Namah Shivaya.
Good morning, sir. Om Namah Shivaya.
How are you?
I'm doing good, sir. Thank you very much. How are you?
Super. Recovered fully from Corona.
Excellent, sir. Thanks to yoga.
Yeah. Not only thanks to yoga, Ravi. I was not, I should say, I underestimated this Corona. It troubled me so much, Ravi.
Oh,
So I was forced to take medicines, allopathy medicines.
okay.
Right now, Corona time, people have to use allopathy medicines.
Yes, sir.
I will use Ayurveda, I will survive. It's joke.
Yeah. No, actually, the mutant virus has caused all these problems, sir. So
I used 7-8 days. I suffered. One Dr. Sandeep, he helped me. He gave some medicines over phone.
Okay.
I used. In 1 hour, I got relief.
Oh.
Fever was not coming down for 7 days. So anyway, thanks to yoga and thanks to allopathy medicine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's come back, Ravi. So Ravi, quickly introduce about yourself.
Yeah. My name is Ravi Kumar. I am 40-year-old. I'm an engineer by profession and yoga trainer by passion. I'm proud to say this, and I'm really happy to say this. So I work as a general manager in German multinational company as head of purchasing, and I'm responsible to manage huge business, and I have a big team under me. So this is my background about my family. I am married. My wife was a central government employee, and now she quit the job and became a full-time yoga trainer. So my entire family is following yoga. I think we speak yoga from the day we wake up until we sleep. So this is there in our blood, I would say. So I think this has really inspired us a lot. Even now, kids are also following. I have 2 kids, so 13-year boy and then 11-year boy. Both are really interested, and the 11-year boy is really very passionate about yoga. Why? Because one day we were watching BKS Iyengar live story. So he catched a word that BKS Iyengar was born with tuberculosis, and someone said that he may not live more than 7-8 years. So he took that challenge and then learned yoga and practiced yoga for lifetime. And he is the one who published yoga to the external world. I think he has taken yoga to a greater heights. I'm really admired with his contribution, and the kind of service which he has done for the society is tremendous. So, and he lived, I think, more than 90 years, if I'm right. So this has really made him to inspire by this yogi, BKS Iyengar, and that's how we are inculcating this in our family. So this is my brief background about my family, sir.
You said once, elder one, younger one is doing 200 asanas.
Yes, so he is very familiar with 200 asanas. He's practiced with me almost every day. And when we started teaching, I was preparing notes. So I wanted to list down all the asanas, standing asanas, sitting asana, and the prone asanas and supine asanas. So to my surprise, he knows all these things, and we have Bodhi books. So what I did is I listed down all these things, and then he started telling me that what is the benefit, what is the contraindications. To my surprise, I gave this task to them. I delegated to them. They prepared it so well. You will be really surprised the way they prepared this. Fantastic. I'm really blessed to say this.
Very good, Ravi. You did teacher training course last year, April, May time, right? Which month?
September, sir.
September.
Yeah.
So tell me, when did you start? Before that yoga? Any experience before that?
Yes, it is a long journey, sir. So actually I started exposed to yoga in 2008, 12 years ago. I started my practice with Rashtrottana Yoga Academy in Bangalore. So I was practicing for 6
Jayanagar?
Jayanagar, yes, sir.
Our studio was in front of it. Of course, now we closed.
Okay.
The corner building.
Okay, yeah. So that was the first time I got introduced to yoga, and I was really experienced the real benefit of yoga. So during my days when I used to work for a corporate company with a lot of stress, I was really feeling good. So I practiced for almost 6 months. but because of the job reason, I changed my house, and then I could not really practice it because it was very far. So now I live in Electronic City. It is not really convenient for me to practice it. So in between, it was going on and off. Somewhere I also had joined a group and then practicing intermittently. Sometimes I used to practice myself, and then I joined Cult Fit 2 years back. So I was regularly practicing. It is more of very physical activities. And at the end of the day, I was not getting sleep. I was introspecting myself. Look, what am I doing? I'm doing yoga, but still I'm not getting satisfied with all these physical activities. Because that was my knowledge. Like yoga means, okay, stretching and bending and all these things. And during lockdown, I'm very thankful that I was browsing through if there are any online academy in India that I can learn yoga. You know, there is a great saying that teaching is the best way to learn. So I wanted to really join a very basic course just to understand yoga in depth. So I was fortunate to get introduced to Bodhi that time. I called the call center number and then get enrolled to level 1. Basically, it was okay. I'm not spending too much money. Just let me explore. And my intention was not to become a trainer. I want to become that more and more deep into the practice and understand the physiology of yoga. So that was the thing. And then I joined level 1. And then during the practice of 30 days, I realized this is much more than what we did. And I saw a lot of changes in me, that I was able to sleep much calmer, much peaceful, no stress, absolutely energetic throughout the day. I think it made some difference in me. So I'm really glad to say this. Why? Because you are still focused, very calm, energetic throughout the day, and night you get fantastic sleep. And I understand the real benefit of practicing yoga nidra and all these things, because we always focus outwards, that my body, physical, this, that, to stand, yogic stand, headstand, handstand. Believe me, I think those are all not required. I am calling that as a yogic stunt now. People doing all different challenging asanas, it's not really required for the body.
No.
Peaceful mind.
One thing, shall I tell you something special?
Yes, sir.
The most popular yoga academies in the world, Art of Living and Shivananda Ashram.
Yes, Bihar School of Yoga.
So, during my teacher training course, do you know how many asanas they teach?
No, sir.
12 asanas.
Oh my God.
Only 12. All simple. Ardha Shalabhasana, Bhujangasana, Sarva. Very simple asanas. In Shivananda, yeah, they have headstand. The first asana, they start with headstand.
Yes.
What I'm saying is, you don't need hundreds of asanas.
Exactly.
We need some 15, 20 asanas. Today I released one sequence of asanas, 20. Those 20 asanas are enough for anybody, Ravi.
Yes, sir. Very true, sir.
But people don't realize this, Ravi.
Absolutely.
They go on behind body. I want split. Many people damage their hamstrings. They damage their spinal cord.
In my last 12 years, I am saying this after practicing for 12 years, being physically on the body. But now what I'm practicing is real yoga. I'm glad to say this. And also, after finishing level 1, it is increased my curiosity more. I enrolled to level 2. And then this journey is continuing. I did Ayurvedic course. I did nutrition course. I did Reiki and acupressure. So the journey is still
Reiki
continuing.
you did,
Yeah,
we are not teaching Reiki.
Acupressure.
KK Mishra, Dr. KK Mishra.
Yes. Amazing person. And believe me, I have never seen any institute teaching to this depth, to this level of varieties, to this level of knowledge. I'm really happy to say this. And every day, at least we remember once Bodhi, that we are so blessed to be associated with Bodhi, sir. Thank you so much for being an inspiration for all of us. And at the same time, I enrolled for all the app. I'm not leaving a single opportunity to learn. You don't believe, recently you talk about Gita.
Oh, you got it? How is it?
You name any books or whatever you have told, it is here.
Oh my God. That's why
Himalayan Masters.
Okay.
After you said one of the time in our QA sessions that this is the Bible of yoga and Kriya. So I have huge list of collection. I think you can see almost 50 to 60 books on yoga.
Do you know, see your name, what is your name written here?
I couldn't see, sir.
Okay, it's what is your name written? The first name.
Ravi. Second name I could not see, sir. Sincere. Thank you so much, sir.
You are a sincere seeker.
Absolutely, sir. Now, this has really generated a lot of enthusiasm in me that there is something which I don't know. There is something. And
what is the book name? Can you show me book's name?
Himalayan Masters.
That is ultimate book.
Yes, sir.
If any sincere fellow comes, I give this.
Wow. Yes, sir.
I think I bought around 500 books. No, these are leftover. What I'm saying, another book, show me another book.
Sincere Seeker.
You are a sincere seeker.
Of course, I still need a lot of time because there's so many books and...
No, listen, it takes time. It is not like Sidney Sheldon type you cannot read.
Yes, sir.
You have to read 2 pages or 3 pages in each book.
Absolutely, sir. Correct, sir.
That is the way it will go. I never read more than a page in any book.
Correct.
See, since you are a sincere seeker, you are blindly following whatever I'm saying.
Absolutely, sir. So it really makes sense, sir. I got a lot of benefits. Otherwise, why should I follow? See, God has given me enough. I have enough wealth. I have enough fantastic job, fantastic family. But somewhere the inner self, he still wants something. That self-satisfaction, the contentedness, the inner feeling is still not satisfied.
See, you are lucky. You woke up at 40 years, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
You joined at 39 last year. Of course, you are practicing. Now, you said about one yoga center. I don't want to tell the name also. No ventilation, air conditioner, jumping japak. Yoga teacher comes with some Excel sheet. He will teach what type of yoga is that.
I myself can feel the difference, sir.
He doesn't know the student name. He doesn't know the student health condition. What type of yoga can he teach?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
One day with power yoga, one day vinyasa yoga. They made it rubbish.
No, only the t-shirt has to sweat. That's it. That is the intention.
You run na. You run for 20 minutes here, you get sweat na. They spoil the yoga name. Yeah. I used to tell in Hyderabad, these fellows have to shut down. Now,
this is exactly what has happened now.
My mouth is bad or God is great. I don't know. It's all the centers shut down.
Very true, sir. Very true.
In Telugu, we have a saying, Ravi, Mangalodu pani Mangalodu cheyala. Matlab, barber has to do barber work.
Very true.
All should not enter into this zone.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And all will not digest also. Now you are in such a senior position in a German company as a SCM head. You're sparing. Now you started teaching also, right?
Absolutely, sir. I have 15 students, very sincere students. I'm really glad. I don't mind whether they pay me or not, but for me, their enthusiasm and the interest. Of course, I take fee.
If they don't pay, they don't show enthusiasm.
Absolutely, because that is the only reason I kept a fee. That otherwise they will not wake up because it is free. Nobody will respect that profession if they don't pay.
No debate on that. So
Absolutely.
you have 15 students.
Yes, sir.
How many months they are coming?
It's almost, I think I started in November, sir. 6 months over, 6-7 months over. I'm seeing a lot of positive responses. Somebody said that my back pain is gone. Somebody said my thyroid is reduced. Somebody said my dosage on diabetes is reduced and the weight is reduced. And I'm teaching absolutely normal yoga. 6 Surya Namaskars and then maybe 5 or 10 asanas every day and then followed by Yoga Nidra. They felt so big difference, and today they are bringing, I'm not doing any marketing. They themselves are telling to their friends and family members, every month it is increasing.
See, one secret you revealed, Ravi. Many people think that how can I teach? Can I teach? Can I succeed? Simple. I say you teach 6 Surya Namaskaras,
Yes.
you teach some 10-15 asanas,
Correct.
relaxation enough.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
They will say, wow, week after week, progress.
Yes.
BP comes down, diabetes comes down, weight comes down.
Correct. Correct. Every day I get a message, sir, that I got this. I'm so blessed. I'm so thankful. What else I need? It is more than money for me.
That is our fuel.
Yes.
That
This
is our
really
fuel.
makes me more enthusiastic to teach little more in deep, understand them, the psychology, how the body works. And from my childhood days, I was really fascinated. I wanted to become a doctor, but because of family conditions, I could not. But now this way, I can go one step ahead, that I can think about reducing and avoiding diseases, let people stop going to hospitals. This is my ultimate vision in life.
You have done level 1, level 2 in Bodhi, right, Ravi?
Yes, sir.
And Ayurveda course also you have done.
Yes. Ayurveda and also nutrition.
How was the nutrition course, Akalya madam?
Best in the world, sir. Best in the world, especially the teacher. The kind of knowledge she tell, and then everything is available in and around us. We thought that, okay, that imported grain will have this, that, and all. Absolutely bullshit. What she teaches absolutely makes sense, and we change a lot of things. Be it the way we cook, be the way we eat, be the way we consume. And I am feeling a lot of change. My HDL levels have gone up like anything. This is the first time where, without using anything, that I myself is improving my health. Better sleep, better digestion. I'm so blessed. Nutrition is one of the best course I would recommend that every yoga trainer must go.
But people don't understand, trainers don't understand, Ravi.
I think this is more than required, sir. Nutrition is a medicine.
No, why I started this? Do you know that why I started?
No, sir.
So I told my trainers to become a nutritionist, because some people come with problems. So they have done 3 trainers. One institute, name we should not talk about it, 80,000 they charged. And the knowledge what they have given, bullshit. Some recorded videos and 1 book.
Yes.
He said, oh my God, 80,000. Why? That's the reason we are charging very, very nominal. I'm telling you, next 3-4 years, in India, all the hospitals, we are going to keep our nutritionists.
Yes.
And our nutrition specialty, they are yoga teacher and nutrition combination.
Yes. Yes.
Have you done our therapeutic yoga teacher training?
That is one which is still pending, sir. I'm not finding time because.
Don't worry. What I request, I'll talk to Prarthana, who is our head of this therapeutic yoga.
Sure, sir.
See, every week we are teaching 1.
Okay. Okay.
Since you are my sincere student, I will permit you to attend any time.
Thank you so much, sir.
So you please attend this hypertension and diabetes, 2-3 important things, spinal disorders.
Okay, sir.
Please attend, so that most of the people have that problem.
Okay.
Now we are introducing infertility.
Wow.
I'm telling you, do you know infertility, how the hospitals are looting public?
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
In Hyderabad, one infertility hospital is there. I know. Warner is a minister. What interest they will have? They just loot the public.
True, sir.
Yoga has a solution for everything, Ravi.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
So if you do traditional, the systematic yoga, you don't need to do therapeutic yoga. But therapeutic yoga, why you have to do?
Yes.
You should know the disease.
Absolutely, sir.
You have to understand what are the challenges. Just like that, anything cannot be taught.
Absolutely. Now, I'll tell you another irony, sir. Until people face health issues, they will never realize that they need to do something. This is the irony, I would say. I'm really feeling fatigue. People, I am healthy. Why should I do all this? This is the way they think.
No, finally, they will go to either corporate hospital or the Damal. Maturity means, I say always, Ravi, maturity means when health is there, protect it.
Absolutely, sir. Very well said.
Protect it. Otherwise, what for that promotions? What for that money? What will you do? One fine day, suddenly heart attack will come. What will you? Nowadays, 35, 40 years people are getting heart attack. Do you know irony? You said irony. Shall I tell you one more thing? After getting heart attack also, people are not waking up.
Very true, sir. That's why there is a great saying, until your doctor says you must walk, people will not walk.
Even after getting heart attack, that is the karma.
Very true, sir. They don't realize the value of health, really.
The value is more for money, but anyway, mature people come onto this path. You are lucky in such a senior management position. You are learning and teaching.
Yes, sir.
Great.
In fact, I started learning more when I started teaching, sir. You don't believe.
This is what I tell the teachers.
Very true.
Not immediately, don't wait. Your progress will become more.
Yes, yes.
I also say one thing, Ravi. Do you remember? After getting certificate, your true learning will start.
Absolutely, sir.
Because you have to teach now. When you're teaching, that real learning will start. But people don't believe.
I'm the best example here, sir, because this also makes me to think, what should I do it differently tomorrow? Because they should not be bored. There is something which I am also doing on my own to do some variation, some difference. And you don't believe, my wife is also a yoga trainer, I told you. She was also trained in a different institute, very reputed institute in Bangalore. And after seeing me, more students are interested to join my course than her class. Can you believe this?
The thing is, Ravi, I'm telling you, I have done enough research in India.
Yes, sir.
Without knowing yoga, they teach yoga. They practice some vinyasa, Ashtanga vinyasa. Any donkey can practice.
True, sir.
They start teaching. They start teaching yoga teacher training. This is not everybody's cup.
True, sir.
All cannot teach, all cannot understand.
Yeah.
And you and me, corporate professionals, we are lucky to step onto this path.
Correct, sir.
We can spread more than these normal yoga teachers.
Absolutely, sir. Now, in my class, we have all high professionals like CEOs, vice presidents. Only these people I am teaching now.
Let us work. We are creating a corporate wing, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Now we have never focused on corporates. Now corporate companies are approaching, and we are also approaching. We are starting this Hyundai factory is there, right? Steve Perambadur.
Yes, sir.
So their management is made it rule that all employees have to do.
Very good, sir.
We are taking care of their company.
Yeah.
Now, tomorrow we are starting one more big software company in Bangalore. And I took sessions for Cisco management.
Wow.
The great company. So there is so much demand for corporates. So we are creating a corporate wing. Let us discuss and see how we can reach the corporates, how we can help them.
Yes, sir.
They need more than normal public.
It's the need of the hour, sir.
And this is a yoga trainers. Next 10 years is our time.
Absolutely. Health is the biggest.
Because of Corona, now we have become more popular.
Very true.
Yeah.
Very.
And now our app, have you seen, we are keeping apps very minimal, like 100 rupees, 200 rupees. Next 6 months, we want to launch 100 workshops, 100 trainings there.
Wow. Okay.
We want to reach people. We want to make the yoga subject as easily accessible. Have you seen our Bodhi level 1 beginners, yoga for beginners?
App, sir?
In the app, we have created a course.
Yes.
Yoga for beginners, 500 rupees. They can learn very systematically.
Yes. I've gone through the complete, sir. The recent one is that arm strengthening.
How is the arm strengthening?
Wow. So creative, sir. Unimaginable that we can do so many variations. 2026, I think.
72.
Yes. I'm introducing this in our Surya Namaskara practice. Strengthen the arm.
Why
people don't have to go to gym now.
Why I have given that for yoga teachers only, Ravi? So you have so many things, teach everyday variety.
Correct.
Teach 10 today, teach 10 tomorrow.
Very true, sir.
72 techniques, all are simple.
Correct. Especially youngsters are really liking this so much that they felt that only gym can do that kind of benefit. But here, the body and mind is in sync and also strengthening the muscles.
Our own body is our instrument.
Yes.
Using this own body, we can make our body stronger.
So sometimes when I go abroad, even Germany also, my colleagues are really fascinated to learn yoga. I conduct workshops in Germany and China also.
Very super.
So thank you so much. They really respect a lot. In fact, outside world respect India more than us. It is like our own garden plant, not being treated as a medicine. So this is the basic disbelief our people have. This is such a supreme science. Trust me, sir. This has given me so much of benefits. I don't see my board. Sorry.
Let us give this pasan or fruits to the society.
Absolutely, sir. That's what I'm doing. So this month I'm conducting 1 month free yoga for all the people because the entire Bangalore is locked down. Everybody is at home. So I'm teaching them free yoga every day, all 30 days, throughout the day, every day sessions, morning and evening, 2 sessions.
On 30th day, you have to do something. Please call me, I will tell you.
Sure, sir.
No, I cannot tell. On 30th day, all will join for your next classes.
Sure, sir.
I'll tell you one tip.
Okay, okay. So today I conducted breathing workshop. I was just copying Sujana ma'am. She did one, this I attended that. This was really fantastic. So I did the same thing. The response was so good. I don't think people will leave me tomorrow.
Listen, Ravi. Now we have lined up another 10 workshops.
Okay.
Facebook Live to the entire world.
Wow.
No, a good yoga teacher has to do this. Watch the workshop. You conduct, na. My purpose is that yoga teachers should take the knowledge from the teachers and take it forward.
Yes. Now, after doing all this, I am now realizing I am just learning a single drop in the ocean. This is what is the feeling I am getting now after getting into so much of depth. See, earlier I was having a width, but Bodhi has given me the depth. So both are important for a yoga trainer.
We have not given depth. We have given strong foundation.
Yes.
We did not teach any circus asanas. We have taught simple pranayama, simple asanas only, na?
True, sir.
But strong fundamentals.
Very true, sir.
You know, week on week we are growing.
Very
Yesterday we recruited 16 trainers.
Wow.
We have 17 people to answer calls. Parallelly, it rings. If 17 people don't answer, I answer the call. Can you call my number? I'll show you.
Wow.
9870
Okay.
9870 347 348.
Wow. It's going to a call center, sir.
Can you disconnect and call again? 9870
347348.
call.
It's going to a call center.
I think network problem. You know what we have solution? All the 18 phone rings
Okay.
parallelly.
Okay.
So if they don't answer, I answer. If I answer, they will be in trouble.
True, sir.
So we are very alert and trust me, Ravi, this is the high time for us to spread.
Absolutely, sir.
30 years people are leaving, Ravi.
True.
It's not simple lungs problem. It is attacking in a very root level.
Very true, sir. Very true.
Now my own brother is in trouble right now. His son, his wife, everybody. So we need to reach out more people. Please, what I request, every week do 1 hour pranayama workshops.
Sure, sir.
Just 1 hour. You tell them you practice every day. Protect yourself, protect your children.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Let
sir.
us work here for this corporate companies. I will take your support. We have a team formed for that.
Okay.
We have a team leader, Sriram. Let's work together and, see how we can help corporates.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for sparing your time.
Thank you, sir. It was my pleasure to interact with you. And I'm truly blessed. And your words, like especially you say that Satudirga Kala Nairantarya Satkarya Sevito Drudabhumi. This rings in my mind every morning, sir. Immediately I wake up from my bed. Actually, that matters a lot for a yoga trainer.
That's what my teacher told me. I told you. So you pass on to the students.
True, sir. This is really inspiring quote from Sage Patanjali.
Patanjali Sutras. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Wow.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.